Why is dominant vegetation important for biomes? Imagine walking through a vast landscape and noticing the plants that dominate the scene. These plants are more than just scenery. They shape the entire environment around them. That's what we call dominant vegetation. It's the main type of plants that thrive in a specific area, like tall trees in forests or grasses in grasslands. These plants are like the backbone of a biome, giving it its unique character. Dominant vegetation plays a big role in how the ecosystem functions. For example, in a forest, tall trees create layers, canopy, understory, and forest floor, that support many different animals and insects. In grasslands, the grasses form a wide open space that many animals like bison and antelope call home. The type of plants that dominate a biome determines what kind of animals and microorganisms can live there. Vegetation also influences the climate and soil. Trees and plants releases water into the air through a process called transpiration, which can help cool the environment. Forests store large amounts of carbon, helping to regulate the planet's temperature. Plants also break down rocks and add nutrients to the soil, making it richer for other plants to grow. Without these plants, the soil would wash away, and the climate could become more extreme. The presence of certain plants tells us a lot about the climate of a region. For example, cacti are common in deserts because they are built to survive with very little water. Tropical rainforests have broadleaf trees because they thrive in high rainfall and warm temperatures. The plants that dominate a biome are like clues to understanding the environment and how it works. Dominant vegetation is also vital for supporting biodiversity. Different plants provide food and shelter for animals and microbes. A forest with lots of trees supports many bird species, insects, and mammals. Grasslands support different animals that are adapted to open spaces. This variety of life depends on the plants that grow there. Finally, plants and biomes give us many important services. They produce oxygen, filter water, prevent floods, and help keep the soil stable. These benefits are essential not just for nature but also for human life. Knowing which plants dominate a biome helps scientists and conservationists protect these areas. It guides efforts to restore damaged habitats and manage natural resources wisely. Understanding dominant vegetation helps us see how ecosystems stay balanced and healthy. It shows us how plants shape the environment and support life in every corner of the world.